Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of affiliate marketing and exploring the differences between high-ticket and low-ticket affiliate marketing. If you're new here, consider subscribing, as we bring you valuable insights and tips for your online business journey. Now, let's jump right in and uncover the distinctions between these two affiliate marketing approaches. Section 1. Understanding high-ticket affiliate marketing. First, let's talk about high-ticket affiliate marketing. High-ticket products or services are those with substantial price tags. As an affiliate, you promote these premium items to your audience, and when they make a purchase, you earn a significant commission. The commission per sale might be higher, but the conversion rate may be lower due to the higher price points. Section 2. The advantages of high-ticket affiliate marketing. What makes high-ticket affiliate marketing appealing to many marketers is the potential for substantial earnings with just a few sales. The higher commission rates mean that you can achieve your income goals faster with fewer conversions. Additionally, promoting high-ticket products often allows you to focus on a more specific and targeted audience. Section 3. The challenges of high-ticket affiliate marketing. However, high-ticket affiliate marketing comes with its own set of challenges. Convincing someone to make a substantial investment requires trust, authority, and a robust marketing strategy. You'll need to establish yourself as an expert and build a deeper relationship with your audience to gain their confidence in making a high-priced purchase. Section 4. Understanding low-ticket affiliate marketing. Now, let's explore low-ticket affiliate marketing. In this approach, you promote products or services with lower price points. While the commission per sale may be lower, the conversion rate tends to be higher due to the affordability of the items. Section 5. The advantages of low-ticket affiliate marketing. The primary advantage of low-ticket affiliate marketing is that it often appeals to a broader audience. Since the cost of the product is lower, potential customers might be more willing to take a chance and make a purchase. This can lead to a higher volume of sales, which can add up to significant earnings over time. Section 6. The challenges of low-ticket affiliate marketing. Despite the potential for higher sales volume, low-ticket affiliate marketing can be demanding in terms of achieving substantial profits. You might need to make many more conversions to match the earnings of a high-ticket sale. Additionally, promoting low-ticket items could require a more extensive marketing effort to reach a broader audience. Section 7. Finding your fit. High versus low-ticket affiliate marketing. Ultimately, the decision between high-ticket and low-ticket affiliate marketing depends on your unique goals, expertise, and audience. Some marketers thrive in the high-ticket niche, building strong relationships and enjoying higher earnings per sale. On the other hand, others excel in low-ticket affiliate marketing, leveraging high conversion rates to drive consistent revenue. There you have it, the differences between high-ticket and low-ticket affiliate marketing. Whichever path you choose, remember that success in affiliate marketing requires dedication, strategic planning, and continuous learning. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with others who might benefit. Subscribe to our channel for more insights and tips on building a successful online business. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.